Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to find parental controls in the kids mode on Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Plus and S10 Ultra. So the first thing that we need to do is of course open the kids mode, and once you are here what you need to do is tap on these three dots in the top right corner, and then you have parental controls. You will need to enter the pin code that is the same for the tablet, for the screen lock, and let's press continue. And now over here we have a bunch of different options that allow us to manage or allow content. So over here we can go to apps in order to choose what the kid can use over here. So we can, for instance, press and hold on the app in order to delete it. And once you are done, you can press save. You can also choose which apps should be allowed after the time limit. You can also set the screen time over here. You can turn it on, and then you can manage it here. You can also go to bedtime in order to set up the bedtime here. And that's pretty much it. You can also set the profile over here, so you can change the picture, you can set the kid's name, date of birth, and so on and so forth. You can even use the camera in order to take the picture if needed. And you can also go to My Kids Creation in order to find whatever your kids have been creating on the tablet. And that's pretty much it. So, thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!